Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be repotting some of my cacti because I continuously see the same cactuses flower over and over, but I don't see these other ones that should be flowering. So I think that maybe they need to be repotted, new soil. These been here for a very long time, so I just think it'll grow better as well. So I'm going to do that today. I did ask someone on Instagram and Cactus Caffeine if they repot. They said yes if it needs it, And also I said if it's always necessary to change the pot. And CSG on Instagram told me no, oopsie, darn it, I did not want to make that mess. It's not necessary because it's a fluffy one, so it's hard to clean. He said it's not always necessary. Oh, this one doesn't hurt, so it's not always necessary. You can just give it new soil and put it in the same pot if it hasn't outgrown it. So the reason I'm interested in that is because it's like, where am I going to put all these plants, and my pots keep getting bigger. That's going to be just too hard to place, to keep them. So yeah. I don't like when they get dirt on them. Have you guys seen Cactus Caffeine's videos lately? Oh goodness, her flowers on her cactuses are amazing. It's like candy. It's like going into your greenhouse and seeing it full of candy. It's really nice. I really am unsure if I need to put the shade cloth up today. They said today we're expected to get up to 90. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just debating it. But I don't get it because right now it looks overcast. And I don't think it was supposed to be overcast. At least not what they thought. So I just don't know. I still got some dirt up there, but I'm gonna just have to leave it. It doesn't look bad, This one doesn't look like she has really deep roots. You see, it just pushes out a lot of babies. So I feel like this would be good in a really cute, short, wide pot. Like this one. See, it's short but wide. And this is where it was. So I think that's good. I think I'm gonna do that. I can grab it. I have Miracle Grow cactus soil in here, my turfus, and for the first time I just started using worm casting. So that's going to be interesting to see how my plants respond to that. So yeah. Okay, I think that was done. Put it on the side. I have to keep an eye out on my cactuses because I have been noticing that I've been getting some scales. Scales are so frustrating. Scales are very frustrating. Sorry. Yep. This one is not that old. I believe Cactus Caffeine sent me this, Anna. See, it's not that old. It's just growing and I want to give it a bigger pot. This one, when it gets stressed out, it gets some really nice color. It also feels a little on the thin side, so she could get more water. I need to water it. Another reason possibly my cactuses don't flower as much is because I don't water very often. Unfortunately, sometimes my greenhouse can go a month without watering, but I'm gonna try to stay on top of that. I just look at, you know, like I observe them, and once they look thirsty, that's when I'm like, oh, I really need to water. But I don't have to wait till that point, you know. I can water probably, well, now in the summertime, maybe 3 times a month. I don't know. I have to see how fast, you know, because we do have a lot of humidity here, so I need to pay attention to that. That was easy. There are some cactuses that I definitely don't want to grow because they're already in big pots. So hopefully I can get away with just freshening up the soil and that's it, you know, hopefully. I believe this is called like the brain cactus. Sounds pretty loose in there. We'll see. There we go. See, not a lot of roots. They don't sound very deep. It's more wide, but I don't have any more of those wide pots. The wide pots take up room as well. At least I know it's alive. This one's hard to tell because it just looks the same all the time. Okay, let's see. I need to grab something. And probably would help also to fertilize them. I think Anna does fertilize her cactus. So I might start looking into that as well. Even though worm casting, I think, would be considered kind of similar to that, but no. Cute. Super cute. Okay. Where's my mesh? I was wondering where's the mesh. Okay, here's another one. Also, many of these were hanging inside the candle holders. Once I repot them, they won't fit in the candle holder. So, yeah. This cactus my mother-in-law brought from, I can't remember if it was Cuba or DR, but it's always looked like this. I mean, it's grown, but I'm just saying it just looks like this. Like, you really can't see inside of here. You know, if it was sick with something, it'd be hard to tell. I'm trying to see if I can, nope, it is in there. I might need to get something to pull it out. Get this little shuttle here. Looks like if it was meant for that, because look at the edge here. So it goes straight down like this. Maybe it was meant for this. Works pretty perfect. Okay, let's see. I missed this side because it was in the way, but let's see now. Okay. There we go. This one desperately needed repotting. Look at that. You can see when I used to use perlite. Look at all that perlite. Okay, this plant's definitely gonna be much happier in here. If anyone knows the IDs of what cactuses that that I've shown, you can tell me so that I can know. Okay, that one's done. I guess that's when I'm gonna stop right here, because there's a lot more to repot and it can get boring. So I'm just gonna do that, organize, and then show you guys how everything looks. Hey guys, I'm all done arranging and transplanting the plants that I wanted to transplant or repot, whatever you want to call it. It's getting really hot. So I'm just I'm done for the day. I'm really hot and I need to drink some water desperately. But I like how everything turned out. I think it looks good. I made this shelf. So initially I found this in the trash. It was one of those wire shelves with wheels. Someone threw it away. I did repair it with zip ties initially. I'll post the pictures so you can see what it looked like. But then I started to think of how can I build a shelf, another shelf here, in a way that I would still get light for the plants underneath. So I figured let's use the wire shelf. I zip tied them all together like this. Then I put an L shape, I don't know what you want to call it, clamp. No, not a clamp. I don't know, this thing right here. And I zip tied it to that. And then I used fishing line to support it. It's doubled, so I think it should do just fine. So yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, I do have to mention I do have 2 new cactuses, this one and this one. I don't know the names because they did not come with names, but yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.